Hey guys, I'm Curry from Robert's Bushcraft. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do the hand drill with horseweed. I'm going to use a couple different hearth boards or fire boards. I'm going to use horseweed as a fire board, white pine, and eastern red cedar. Stay tuned. First, I like to warm the hearth board just by doing 20-30 seconds of a rapid spinning. There's not a whole lot of pressure involved here, downward pressure. Just like to spin, apply a little small amount of downward pressure. I'm kind of under the gun here. We've got a storm moving in, so I'm going to go ahead and do a good burn in. Okay. Now that I've got it warmed up, okay, I'm going to cut my notch. Got a good burn in here. Okay. Now, it's not the most beautiful V-notch in the whole wide world, but that should work. Okay. Again, I'm going to start off by warming the hearth board. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and get to it. And we are quickly running out of light here. And there you see the ember. Okay, this is horseweed drill, horseweed hearth board, and we have an ember. Okay guys, now we're going to use cedar, eastern red cedar for the hearth board, and I'm going to warm it up. Again, this is very slight downward pressure with just a little bit of speed. Warms the board up. It makes it a lot easier to get your burn in. Okay. Now I'll cut my V-notch. Okay, there's the V-notch. And we'll warm this hearthboard again. Again, I'm using Eastern red cedar for the hearthboard and horseweed spindle. Okay, happy with the warm up, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. And the rain is beginning to fall.
You got it.
And we have a cold. Up. There we go. That is Eastern red cedar and horseweed. Now, storm's coming in and starting to rain on us. I'm going to use the horseweed spindle, hand drill. I'm going to use a hole that I've got previously burned in on the white pine. And let's see if we can get this done. Okay, I'm going to do my warm-up process. And hopefully the rain will hold off a little bit longer. Okay, happy with the warm-up. I'm gonna get to it. And we have a coal. White pine and horseweed. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Curry with Bushcraft. See you next time.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that just goes to show you with the proper strength and materials combined, you can do it in conditions like this. So stay tuned with Bushcraft and make sure to check out our website, and God bless.